perfect brain healthy day look like in my life? It looks like waking up and hydrating and having a smoothie and then having some sort of greens for lunch with a little bit of grass-fed hormone-free protein on it. So exercise, I usually do about an hour of exercise, meditation, maybe some hyperbaric oxygen. Of course, there's work in there, like filming and doing what we do, and we're pretty busy people. So because we're pretty busy people, you can imagine it doesn't always go that way. And one of my biggest challenges is that when I can't find something that fits my plan, and it's not conscious, it's not intentional, I will often just not eat, and that's not a good thing. So I do love that we finally came up with a really good protein bar, because that I can keep in my purse. But because I have this tendency to just like, it's like, oh, I'm not gonna do that, so I'm just gonna like skip it. So keeping like nuts in your purse or keeping a protein bar in my purse is critical for me, because otherwise I'll just sort of like get to the end of the day and I'm like, oh, I just didn't eat enough. I didn't eat anything. And then I eat way too much. So that's what my ideal day looks like.